Alrighty, weather was a mixed bag today. That wind, though, was the headline. As soon as I walked outside, I should have listened to you yesterday. I brought out the umbrella.
Inside out.
Flipped inside out. It's broken.
Yeah.
Gotta get it.
Well, time for a new umbrella, Taylor. Yeah, we had some pretty strong winds, but the good news is that the worst is over in the next couple of hours, and we're going to see some rapid improvements coming up this evening after about 8 o'clock, but not before. We actually saw some damage. That you could see a kind of a cluster of reports there from Cattaraugus County, multiple trees down in Perrysburg, and also getting reports as well of trees, power lines down in the town of Cattaraugus, right around shortly after 3 o'clock. And it's no wonder. Check out these wind gusts, 68 miles per hour in the falls. Gust at the airport here in Buffalo to 60 miles per hour. We're still getting in on some 50 mile per hour winds, but that is rapidly going to change within the next few hours. Look at this. We were just 3 degrees shy of a record high for today. Remember what I say, whenever there is warmth, there is wind in this part of the world this time of the year, and that's exactly how things played out. Now, the winds are diminishing rapidly after 8 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow, totally different kind of day. We're going to be dealing with areas of rain, a raw breeze, and there's more wind coming up, by the way, as if we need that, Saturday night and into Sunday. That's followed by some limited lake flakiness, which could put down a few inches of snow into ski country. Tomorrow, I fully expect some rain by afternoon, kind of a raw day, good soup day, temperatures into the low 40s. These high wind warnings that are in effect, they're probably going to be allowed to expire within the next few hours, and this is why I think that. Notice how the winds rapidly drop off after 8 o'clock, and we're barely left with any of a breeze after midnight or so. Then a chunk of chill comes in for Sunday. That's followed by a little bit of moderation, and then there's that Barney blob of purple. That's the Arctic air that's going to be with us, especially for the end of the week and into next weekend. 43 degrees right now in Buffalo. Again, this is after being up near 61 for a top temp earlier on. We're still holding on to 50 in Wellsville, and there's some of the latest gusts. 54 miles per hour just recently logged in Buffalo, 52 miles per hour in Dunkirk. Whenever you see these big north-south temperature contrasts, it means a dynamic weather system. It is rapidly pulling away, as is that squall line that came on through with some of the rain, and that also triggered a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, which have now expired. There's your futurecast for tomorrow. Again, good soup weather. Temperatures starting out in the morning right around freezing, and then we end up right around 40 by noontime. There's the rain coming in. It's going to be kind of wet for later tomorrow afternoon, and then tomorrow night. And as that system pulls away, it does turn a lot colder. As I mentioned, for Sunday, we're going to be picking up on some lake flakiness. So for tonight, again, those rapidly diminishing winds, the low at 34. Raining in Lockport for tomorrow, 39 with showers Lancaster, 41 in West Seneca, and 37 in Olean. There's that super 7-day forecast. Again, back to winter on Sunday. We'll have some flakes still flying on Monday, a little bit milder for the middle of the week, and then the bottom drops off in the temperature department Thursday and Friday.